Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to exchange currency in Wise. The first thing I want you to do is just launch your Wise app and then go ahead and click on any currency that you want to exchange. So let's say we have euros in our account. We'll come here, tap on euros, and from here I want you to click on convert, okay? Once you tap on this, it'll take you to this page. You'll see how much you have in your balance, and you just go ahead and enter the amount of euros you want to convert. And here you can choose to which currency you want to convert as well. So let's say 10 euros. Type that in and to convert it to this currency, right? And what you need to do, right? You'll see your conversion rate. You'll see their fees, things like that. This is the rate. This is how much you'll receive in the end. Once you're happy with it, click here on continue and then just go ahead and review everything and then click on convert now to go through with this. Be that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.